Cracking the top 5, we have Sweden. Known for its excellent healthcare system, generous parental leave policies, and strong social welfare programs, Sweden is consistently ranked among the happiest countries in the world. Its citizens enjoy a high level of education and a strong work-life balance. Stepping onto the 4th spot is Switzerland. This alpine paradise boasts a well-earned reputation for its exceptional healthcare, high income levels, and excellent infrastructure. Switzerland's commitment to innovation and quality education has also contributed to its strong position on our list. Climbing up to the 3rd spot is Norway. With its stunning fjords, strong social support systems, and high environmental standards, Norway consistently ranks among the best countries to live in. Its residents benefit from universal healthcare, free education, and ample job opportunities.